Okay, these are the bolts that just came out of the steering rack. We've lowered it down. We've undone it from the intermediate shaft. And this one had Loctite on it. You can see the Loctite. So these are, I guess, crucial bolts. I mean, look how big these dang bolts are.
Yeah.
They're really huge.
Yep.
So this had Loctite on it too. So I think these are like 300 pounds of torque, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
I don't know how I'm going to re-torque them. I got to figure that one out.
Yeah.
Because my torque gun, or my impact gun, won't even torque to that amount. You know, but
we can always get it torqued a little more somewhere else if they have a machine to do it. So
we're gonna try to lift this out the side. We're gonna have to turn it a little bit sideways so that this clears.
Okay.
So you can see the little shaft there. That right there. Yeah. We're gonna have to turn it sideways a little bit so this clears the frame.
Yeah.
But I think we got the space though.
Yeah, it looks like
we should. So we're gonna give it a shot here so we can get it out.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. How heavy is that thing?
It's pretty heavy, but it'll take both of us.
Really?
Yep.
Okay,
So
I'm gonna
try to bring your side through.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put this down for a second.
Yep.
Okay, so we're trying to line up the use part we've got here with the
Okay, so we made sure before we disconnected this that we had the steering wheel centered. We disconnected the tie rods and I marked it up there on the intermediate shaft, but you notice that this mark is facing straight forward toward the front of the vehicle. So when we got our used one, we had to, this part right here, this little notch was on the back. So I had to push this in to make it spin to bring this to the front. Because this is how it's going to lock to the intermediate shaft, and the bolt goes through and it catches that.
Okay.
To where it won't come off.
Okay.
So we're going to get this in there now.
Okay.
And
all right.
Shit is low.
Okay, it's going to take two people, so I'm going to force this.
Yep. What we're going to do is we're going to fish it through here, and she's going to lift her side up, and then she's going to go that way. So we're going to take this whole thing and we're going to fish it through here first, get it to overlap, then lift this side up, push it through, and then everything will line up.
Okay. Okay, so we've got it up here now, and we're just going to get everything kind of lined up in place.
Down a little bit. Okay, so we're going to put it back up there. And we're going to put Loctite on these bolts.
Okay.
Just because they have Loctite originally, and these are torque-to-yield bolts. You're supposed to replace them, but I don't know how easy it would be to find this bolt.
Looks like it's in pretty good condition anyway.
The torque-to-yield, you're supposed to replace them, but we're not going to do that. So we got to find Loctite.
Okay.
We have Loctite.
All right.